Today, we're going to prepare the classic Waldorf salad. Did you know that the Waldorf salad originated more than 100 years ago in New York City? And since then, it has become a crowd favorite. It is delicious, nutritious, and so easy to prepare. Let's begin by adding 2 cups of diced apples in a large mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and toss to coat. Add 1 cup of diced celery and 1 cup of grapes. Sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whip 1/2 cup of heavy cream until steep peaks form. Add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to the cream and blend well. Add the cream mixture to the fruit mixture. Add the toasted pecans. Fold gently and blend well. Chill the Waldorf salad for at least an hour before serving. If you enjoyed today's recipe, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments below.